Okay, thank you. Oh, I'm serious right now. Oh, serious for the radiation that I'm getting. Yeah, I'm. What the? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna respect that thing. What's it so tight here? I wish it could exceed the limit. Oh. No, again. Can you just stop with the radiation that I will get every time? Yeah, why did I use blind with my hand? Oh. 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 Yeah. I don't know. Oh, if this dynamic will not move up. What? How did I come in? Then I'll find my grand. Yeah. Oh. Oh, what the dog? Oh, let that dog go. Let that dog go. Oh. Keep getting radiation. I'm not saying that. Don't care about the radiation bar because I'm really cheating right now. Not like you with my what thing? Because I'm nearly 7 years old. Why 67? Why? Why? What? My brother can really always let me the fuck something trespassing. I'm not. It's not even trespassing. He's definitely making jokes. Well, why doesn't? Well, it became countryside. Well, nuclear plant turned into countryside. So there's a nuclear plant in countryside. Okay, I'm just gonna consider it like that. Oh. No. No, no, no. Yes. Walk, da, da, walk, 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 go, 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 da, 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 da. What is it? And I was talking. Okay, four. Yeah, I'm getting later. That's a bit. Oh, not the toxic hazard. I do not tell about it. What? Who does this? Oh. Four. Oh. I get confused. I don't care you toxic hazard. Why is it so long? I'm going to not drive quickly when it hits that glitch face. Because I'm gonna get stuck in the ground. Yeah, that's true. Ooh. Caution? Nah, that's not caution. That's dangerous. I mean, be careful. Oh, okay. Sammy. Okay. I'm now focused. You caution me.
Nagwananan ka na. Machas!
Pwede lang ako dito?
Ha?
Pwede lang ako dito?
Saan ba yung nagkawalan?
Yeah.
Wala mo sa bilik ka eh.
Wait, oh, there's a lot of processes. Okay, finally. That's a long wait from that. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, well. I know that that everybody to go away to me. Let's get rid of kids another day. Wait. Okay. I wish I could extend the limit. To be as long as a coin. But yes, 500 meters. I don't know. I mean 500 seconds. You can get coins. I mean, you can get the radiation before it stops letting you. Oh! Oh, there's no thing where they oh, it's really countryside, but it has a nuclear plant. You know what was like this. Well, why the skeleton with a hat on? Why? Why? I was a digger. I think I can still drive like that. Still drive even if I die. I'll kill me. Okay. Radiation. Whoa. Looks like I by using this thing. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Well, is there anything while there is a passenger? Oh. What's so slow? Oh. Look at that. I finally. Oh. Oh my. Why am I so slow down? It's a simple radiation. Is it a thing? Yeah, it's the case. What? Kind of. Why am I so... Wait. It's been 20 minutes! Just 30 minutes! I went so fast, like 27 kilometers. I mean 28. No. Oh. No way. Oh, no. Yes, by the way. If I would escape. The trap code. Yeah, that's a code that I made. Oh. No. I don't know why, because darker down and it becomes more bright up. That's really logic. Oh. What did I find a nuclear secret? How do I still even do it? So good. Oh. Huh? How? How? Oh. No, very usable. What? Yeah, no, what? Why? Oh. Huh? What thing? Why? Never. That was really annoying. Oh. I'll go really slowly. Legitimate? Yeah, that's the way legitimate. Once I hit that thing, I really supposed to go so slow. Oh. But let me pee. Okay. I don't want to get the pasta. Not this thing again. Oh, I don't take the bad thing. Yeah, that's what it was. Like everyone really likes it. When I don't. Wait. Why did I? Why? I swear. Why? Why is it so long? Can you notice that? Okay. Wait. Oh. Let me see if I can get a hacker world record. What the? Man, this again? This is really annoying. Like, boy, I have to use this thing? That, yeah, I really, Tommy got stuck in the rain home because I'm really slow. Oh. Man, this is annoying thing. Annoying thing for me to get stuck. That makes sense. Total loss. Oh? Oh wait. Okay, for today I have to end here. Bye.